Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode guys, I'm sure some of you out there will be having this issue, and that is the roof leaking. For those of you who have the Porsche Cayenne from 2011 to 2017, and I believe some maybe in the earlier years or in the later edition as well, you will notice this issue when there's like a heavy rain. So what happened is, when there's a heavy rain or when I'm washing the car, there will be water coming out from this area. As you can see from my rear seat, there's some water splatter on it as well. And I've been looking at this for a while now, and after doing some research, it has to be the drain channels. Yep, so what I'm doing over here, I'm pouring some water to see if the water is draining out from the proper drainage pipes below the car. There are 4 drain areas where the water will be coming out from the car. So you can see from the right rear, water is flowing out as per normal. Let me zoom it in. Yes, there you go. So water is trickling out and is flowing down. So when there's rain or water, when you're washing the car, the water will flow in from the roof and all the way down to the drain, and that water is supposed to flow through the drain all the way down to this outlet over here. Yeah, and on the left side, as you can see, the water is not flowing out. Yeah, there's no water underneath the car, but it's exiting from this area. Yeah, so I gotta take out a bit of the plastic, and for the roof there is one hidden screw over here. Do take note, I actually spent some time pulling and trying to force it out, and thank God after a bit of searching I saw this hidden screw. On the closer look, you can now see where the water is leaking from. This is from the outside of the car. This is underneath the left rear passenger. Yeah, so right now I'm going to pull out this plug over here, and I have a cloth nearby, but it did not catch all the water. For those of you who are planning to do this, please prepare some cloths and some rags around so that the water will not sprinkle all over like what I did. And please be careful as well, because on the left, right, you can see the whole airbag is over there as well. So right now what I'm doing is I'm trying to isolate the problem. Why is water not flowing down this pipe? Yeah, and you can see after just pouring a bit of water, it's not flowing down at all. So this is how it looks like underneath the car. As you can see, this pipe is totally clogged up, and I believe this is the thing that is stopping the water from flowing out. So you can use a pick or something to go in and try to dig out the dirt, or I've seen some videos that some of you guys out there actually cut it shorter. Yeah, so that will be the second part for my plan. Okay, I'm trying to dig out and loosen up all the dirt first before I'm cutting it, because there's just so much of the rubber you can cut in. Yeah, so I use my pick and poke it in, and you can see the water is now flowing out. The flow of the water is not that much, So I believe there's a lot of dirt and debris stuck. So this is how it looks like when it's flowing properly. I've actually managed to dig out some of the dirt. This is some of the dirt that I've actually dug out. I believe this is the problem that is stopping all the water from flowing out. And right now you can see I'm pouring a lot of water inside, and guess what? Yes, it is right now operating as usual, and hopefully there won't be any more leaks. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please smash the like button, please subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. So guys, stay safe, stay healthy, happy modding and repairing your car. Bye bye.